and today we're going to show you how to make a voodoo doll. Alright, so first we're going to make the body. So we have the head, which is just a foam ball, and we have some paddle wire, which we're going to use to frame the body, to make the body frame. And so what we're going to do is just like bend this part in half. And you can make this long or small, it doesn't matter. And just kind of twist it a little bit so that it stays together. Like this. And let me just twist the end here. Alright, so now you're going to poke a hole in the head, and I'm just going to use this end to do it. Like that. Like that. But I'm going to glue it so that it stays better. So let me get my hot glue gun. And I'm just going to put it over the hole and then poke it so that it stays. Okay. And so that's the, midsection of it. So now we have to make the arms and legs. So I've got a longer piece of wire this time. And you are just going to just kind of figure out where you want the arms like this. And then start wrapping it around the middle part of the frame. Like this. Oh, whoops. Okay. And then once you've got it wrapped a few times, you're going to want to make the arms a little more firm by folding them in half. And this also makes them shorter because they were way too long earlier. And then again, you can just use a tool or just twist it. Just to make it, firm, just to make it stay. Okay, and then this arm. Okay, so since I want to make the body smaller, I'm going to use this bottom part as a leg and just kind of bend it like that. And then I cut off a different piece of wire, and I'm going to wrap it around and start twisting it, and this will be the other leg. Okay. Okay. Oops. Okay, so I just finished my body, and now you're just going to put some glue on the back of the head. Or actually, I'm going to put it on this side. And then you're going to get some yarn, and you're going to start wrapping your voodoo doll. Make sure it stays. Okay. Alright. And just start wrapping it around. Okay, so using the same piece of yarn, I'm just going over the arms and the neck. Okay, and then go back down towards the body again. This, and then move on to the body. And since this is the body, you want to make it thicker, so you might need to wrap it a little more. Okay, so once you're done with the legs, you want to go back up to the body. And then just find a spot to end it and cut it. Let me get my scissors here. Okay, and then cut it, and then just glue it down Just make sure that stays. And now you have a wrapped body. Alright, so these are the ones that we made today. And as you can tell, we customized them in a bunch of different ways. So I hope you guys have fun making your own.
And I hope you like our video. Please subscribe.
And check out our other videos on our channel. Bye!